Okay, so at this part of the course, you're familiar with the navigation. You've got your nice setting down of, your canvas size and where you're going to position your character. But like now what character are you going to do? Like you're sitting at home, you're talking to your friends and family, your business partners, ways of really dabbling into the metaverse and Web3, and you're just like, I got to have something cool, unique, original. How do we do it? First off, I just want to let everybody know most things in life have been done before, and they've been done and they've been slightly tweaked in various different ways. So for you to say, I am going to be the only person to create a NFT with a cartoon cat, right off the bat, there's probably thousands of them. Why? Because everybody wants a cat. Everybody loves cats, and cats are everywhere. Dogs, same deal. So you start very like going through the animal kingdom, elephants, hippos, blah blah. Everything has been is can be built upon. So here's how you stay unique and original about it. Instead of looking at what other people have done, you go back to its original source. Let's do a turtle, right? Let's do a turtle today. So let's say, because I right off the top, I can't think of any NFT collection that really has a lot of turtles so far. But I'm sure after this video and after this course, there's going to be a lot of turtles. But for example, what I would do is I would go to Google and then I would type in Unsplash for the sake of this course and for copyright reasons. Unsplash is a website where you can get a bunch of free free content. So I'm just going to type in the word turtle. We're going to go and search turtle, and there he is in all of his glory. But of course, there's different types of turtle. When I say turtle, do I mean tortoise, like a land turtle, or do I mean a sea turtle? And there's different types and shapes, and the way that they look is just completely different. So let's say we try to create an NFT collection about saving the turtles. So for me, when I think of saving turtles, I think of sea turtles. So let's go ahead and find a sea turtle. Okay, here we go. We're going to grab this, click download. We're going to go to view. So here's a nice little idea, a reference is what this is going to be of a sea turtle. We're going to throw that into our photos, and we saved it onto our iPad. We're going to go back over to Procreate, go over here to this little wrench here at the top, and I'm going to insert photo, and we're going to insert a sea turtle. Now I'm going to make sure it's on the uniform so it's all together evenly, and I'm going to put that sea turtle right there at the top.